Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all the Libra Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of July for all the Libra Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11,000. Right now, Sun is moving in your 9,000, the sign of Gemini, where Mercury is already moving. Sun will stay in your 9th house till 16th of July. Then Sun will move to your 10th house in the sign of Cancer. So 11th house deal with your gains, your friendship, your professional network circle, your large incoming gains, your profits, your money gains, your recognition. All of these things are seen from 11th house. Your elder siblings also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. 9th house deal with your father, your luck, your teachings of your father, your teachers, your mentors, your advisor, your travel related matters, your religious knowledge, your travel related matters, and your higher spiritual knowledge, and your post grade education is also seen from 9th house. So Sun is right now moving in your 9th house, so we can expect during the month of July your major focus will be your travel related matters, your education, or your father related matters, because your 11th house Lord is right now moving in your father's house. Second important thing is that 11th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. 9th house also deal with luck, and 11th house deal with money and gains. So we can expect in the month of July, especially till 16th of July, you may have some gains related to money, or you may have some recognition at your workplace, because 11th house is second from 10th house. So 11th house Lord is moving in 9th house, means in the house of luck. After 16th of July, when Sun will move to your 10th house, then we can expect you may have some positive result regarding your workplace. There will be increase in your fame recognition at your workplace after 16th of July, when Sun will move to your 10th house in the sign of Cancer. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your 9th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 9th house in its own sign, means in Gemini sign. 12th house deal with losses, expenses, your foreign land related matters, your spirituality, your isolated, your private settings. Your bedroom is also seen from 12th house. Your sleep pattern and your spiritual, your sleep pattern and subconscious mind is also seen from 12th house. 9th house, as we discussed previously in Sun section, 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your luck, your teachers, your mentors, your advisor, your lawyers. All of these things are seen from 9th house. Second marriage is also seen from 9th house. So we can expect in the month of July, Mercury will stay in your 9th house till 8 July 2023. Then Mercury will move to your 10th house in the sign of Cancer, and will stay in your 10th house till 25th of July. After 25th of July, Mercury will move to your 11th house in the sign of Leo. Mercury is moving in your 9th house, so we can expect if you are trying to travel somewhere, or you want to trip a foreign land, so we can expect good result regarding your travel related matters in the month of July, especially till 8th of July. Also, your 12th house Lord, means your hospitalization and medical treatment Lord, will be moving in your 9th house. So you need to be very careful regarding your father's health till 8th of July, especially when you are communicating with your father, because there are chances you may start argument with your father, because Sun and Mercury both are moving in your 9th house, and Mercury generally represent communication, Sun represent ego. You need to be very careful when you are dealing with your elders and your father regarding your communication skill, because Sun and Mercury both represent ego in communication. So till 8th of July, you need to be very careful regarding these matters. After 8th of July, when Mercury will move to your 10th house, then we can expect your 9th house Lord will be in your 10th house, and 10th house deal with your work environment, your work, your fame, recognition, your workplace, nature of your work colleague, also seen from 10th house. Your superiors, your bosses are also seen from 10th house. So after 8th of July, we can expect you may have some good result regarding your work and your workplace, because your 9th house Lord Mercury will be moving in your 10th house, and also after 16th of July, Sun will join Mercury in your 10th house. So we can expect positive result from Mercury in the month of July for you people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Venus controls your first house and your 8th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Leo, where Mars is already moving. Venus is very important planet for you people because Venus controls your first house. Venus is your ascendant lord, and right now Venus is moving in most positive house in your 11th house. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your blaming ability, your sudden positive event and sudden negative event, your joint account with your spouse, your unearned money, your in-laws related matter. All are these things are seen from 8th house. So right now, 8th house lord and first house means ascendant lord is moving in your 11th house. So we can expect in the month of July, you may have some gain related to money unexpectedly from your in-laws, from your in-laws or from your spouse, because your 8th house lord also moving in the house of gain where Mars is already moving, and Venus is most important planet for you and most positive planet for you people because Venus is your ascendant lord. So we can expect you may have some gain and good result regarding your money matters and your gains in the month of July from Venus. So we can expect these results for all the Libra ascendant people from Venus in the month of July. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Libra ascendant people, Moon controls your 10th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Capricorn. Positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of July, and on the basis of 6th July we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon according to every house in monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit easily in your birth. Whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house in transit, during these days we can expect we may have some disturbance issues and problem in our life because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance and issues are always associated with these house, and Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planet are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. During these days, we can also expect we may have some disturbance issues and problem in our life. Especially problem will come from the house significance in which the Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Libra ascendant people, Mars controls your 7th house and your 2nd house. And right now Mars is moving in your 7th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Leo where Venus is already moving as we discussed previously in Venus section. 7th house deal with your marriage, your spouse, your business partnership, your meetings with other people. All the other people you meet in life in general is also seen from 7th house. How you meet other people, how others perceive you is seen from 7th house. Your fame is also seen from 7th house along with 10th house. So 7th house lord and your 2nd house. 2nd house deal with your family, your money matters, your bank account, your speech, your food intake habit, your respect value system, your respect system. So lord of these two houses is moving in your 11th house, and 11th house as we discussed previously, 11th house deal with your gains, your money matters, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your higher organization, community based thinking, your hopes and wishes. So we can expect in the month of July you may have some gain as we discussed previously in Venus section because your 2nd house, your money matters lord is also moving in the house of gains, also your 7th house lord. But Rahu is moving in your 7th house from last year March 2022. So we can expect you may have some disturbance in your marriage and your business partnership in the month of July, and previously also you were facing many difficulty in your marriage related matters and your business related matters. But right now your 7th house lord is moving in the house of gain. So we can expect things will be changed in the month of July for you people in a positive way. So we can expect these results for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of July from all the planets. Something also important to remember here is that Ketu is moving in your first house from last year March 2022. Ketu is moving in your ascendant and your ascendant represents you. So we can expect facing many difficulties regarding your health and your all the matters in life. And Ketu will stay in your first house till October 30, 2023. So you need to be very careful regarding your health and your all the matters in your life, especially your marriage related matter and your business related matter till October 2023. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of July. Number one, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 9th house to your 10th house on 16 July in the sign of Cancer. Second major astrological event is that Venus just moved from your 10th house to 11th house on 7 July in the sign of Leo. Third major astrological event is that Mercury, as we discussed previously, Mercury will move from your 9th house to your 10th house on 8th July 2023, and from 10th house to move from 11th house on 25th July 2023. Fourth and most important astrological event is that Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 11th house on 23rd July 2023 and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant in 2023, then you can check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of July 2023 for all the Libra ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.